Looking to capture stunning aerial footage in crisp 4K resolution? Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner, choosing the right drone with a 4K camera is essential for breathtaking shots and smooth video performance. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 drones that offer top-tier camera quality, advanced features, and superior flight capabilities to help you make the best choice for your next adventure. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Potensic ATOM 3. The Potensic ATOM 3 is the perfect option for those looking to capture professional quality footage without breaking the bank. With its 4K UHD camera and 1/3 CMO sensor, this drone offers excellent clarity and vibrant color reproduction. It features electronic image stabilization to ensure smooth, shake-free videos, even in windy conditions. The ATOM 3 boasts a lightweight and compact design, making it highly portable and easy to carry around for quick shoots. What really sets this drone apart is its intelligent flight modes. It includes GPS-assisted functionalities like Follow Me, Orbit Mode, and Waypoints, giving you creative freedom while flying. The 31-minute flight time ensures you can capture a decent amount of footage in one go, and the 5G Wi-Fi transmission allows for seamless real-time video feed up to a distance of 4 km. Whether you're traveling or just exploring your local surroundings, the Potensic ATOM 3 provides exceptional performance in a compact form. It's ideal for beginners as well as intermediate drone enthusiasts who are seeking quality footage at an affordable price. Number 4. Holy Stone HS360S. Next on the list is the Holy Stone HS360S, which stands out for its versatility and impressive camera performance. Its 4K UHD camera is equipped with an advanced 2-axis gimbal, offering stable and smooth footage even when the drone is in motion. The 5G FPV transmission ensures high-quality, real-time video streaming, allowing you to see what the drone sees with minimal latency. One of the key features of the HS360S is its GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes, including Return to Home, which ensures that your drone automatically returns to its starting point when the battery is low or if it loses signal. This is a fantastic feature for safety and for preventing lost drones. The HS360S also offers Follow Me and Tap Fly modes, making it perfect for capturing cinematic shots effortlessly. With up to 46 minutes of flight time thanks to the 2 modular batteries, you can take your time exploring your surroundings without worrying about frequent recharges. The Holy Stone HS360S is a great mid-range drone that offers reliability, ease of use, and fantastic video quality. Number 3. Holy Stone HS720. The Holy Stone HS720 is a well-rounded drone designed for hobbyists and those new to drone flying. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera and a 2-axis motorized gimbal, it captures vivid, clear images and videos with minimal vibration, even during fast movements. This drone also features optical flow positioning, which enhances stability during hovering, enabling you to take steady shots. The HS720's impressive GPS-assisted features include Follow Me, Point of Interest, and custom flight paths, which allow for creative and hands-free flying. These advanced flight modes let you focus entirely on capturing breathtaking footage without worrying about controlling the drone manually. Additionally, the Return to Home function provides peace of mind as the drone will automatically return when its battery runs low or it loses signal. With a powerful brushless motor and a flight time of up to 26 minutes per battery, the HS720 offers a solid balance between flight duration and performance. Its transmission range reaches up to 3,000 feet, giving you plenty of room to explore while ensuring real-time 4K video transmission. The HS720 is durable, foldable, and portable. Number 2. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 has made a name for itself in the drone world due to its compact size and powerful performance. It's packed with a 12MP camera that shoots 4K video at 30 fps, providing incredible clarity and detail. Even though it's small enough to fit in your hand, the DJI Mini 2 offers some of the best image quality in its class thanks to a 3-axis motorized gimbal that ensures stable and shake-free footage. Weighing in at just 249 grams, The Mini 2 doesn't require FAA registration, which makes it hassle-free for casual flyers. Despite its lightweight build, it features powerful motors that allow it to resist winds up to level 5 and reach a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters, making it a reliable option for aerial photography in various environments. The Mini 2 offers up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge, which is impressive for its size. It also features DJI's OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology, providing an ultra-clear video feed up to 10 km away. Additional intelligent modes like quickshots and panorama make it incredibly easy to create professional-quality footage with minimal effort. This drone is perfect for travelers, adventurers, and content creators who need a highly portable yet capable drone that can capture stunning 4K footage effortlessly. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. At the top of our list is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a game-changer in the world of consumer drones. Designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, the Mini 4 Pro offers a massive leap in camera quality, intelligent flight modes, and safety features. Its 48MP 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor enables 4K HDR video at 60 fps, giving you cinematic-grade footage with enhanced dynamic range and vivid colors. This makes it perfect for both daylight and low-light conditions. The Mini 4 Pro comes equipped with a 3-axis gimbal for unparalleled stability, and its focus tracking feature locks onto your subject and follows it smoothly, ensuring you never miss a shot. OcuSync 4.0, DJI's latest transmission system, provides ultra-clear 1080p video transmission from up to 15 km away, allowing for seamless live streaming and long-range flying. Safety is a priority with the Mini 4 Pro, thanks to its advanced pilot assistance systems, which helps avoid obstacles in real time, making it one of the safest drones to fly. With up to 34 minutes of flight time and an array of intelligent modes like master shots, hyperlapse, and panorama, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers unmatched versatility. For anyone serious about drone photography and videography, the DJI Mini 4 Pro delivers professional-level performance in a small, portable package. That wraps up our list of the top 5 drones with 4K cameras. Each drone offers unique features, from advanced flight modes to stunning camera quality, ensuring there's an option for everyone. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and pricing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and top picks. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.